Welcome to TechLaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar status with Slack. Now, at first, just go to Slack, either application or in your browser. I'm gonna use the browser version. Now, if you click on your profile, you can see update status. You can update your status from here. But if you want to automatically update it using your Google Calendar, what you have to do is, at first, go to More. From here, go to Tools. Then from here, you'll see Apps. Just go to Apps. And under recommended apps, you can see Google Calendar, or you can just search for it. From there, just click on install for Google Calendar. Just give it some time and click on add to Slack. Click on install Google Calendar and it's gonna install it to this workplace. If you have more, you can change it and install it there. Then just give it some time. It's gonna redirect you back to Slack. And after that, you'll have a Google Calendar option right over here. You can connect an account. And after it connects, what you can do is just go anywhere and just go to your profile. And from here, click on update status. And you can basically click on automatically updates based on your Google status and click on save from here. And basically, that is how to sync your Google Calendar status with Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.